Budgets can help you set realistic monthly spending limits and avoid exceeding those limits. The budget tool draws your eye to the areas that need your attention the most. Big bubbles represent a larger portion of your monthly budget, and red bubbles have exceeded their monthly allowance. When you first use budgets, you have two options. Click Auto-Generate Budgets to let the software budget for you, or click No Thanks, I'll start from scratch to create your own budgets. We encourage you to use the Auto-Generate Budgets feature. It will create your budget based on your average spending in each category over the last 2 months. Keep in mind that the Auto-Generate feature will be more helpful to you if you've added all of your accounts and accurately categorized your transactions. Once your budget is generated, review your generated budget and adjust them if necessary. You can decide which categories you do and do not want included. If a category was added during auto-generation that you do not want in your budget, simply delete it. You may also automatically recalculate your budgets at any time or delete all of your budgets to start from scratch again. If your budget seems a bit off or you want to take advantage of automatically created budgets, you can use the Recalculate feature. In order to make these budgets as accurate as possible, recalculation is based on the last 2 months for which complete data is available. To recalculate your budgets, navigate to the upper right and click on the Add New Budget link. Scroll to the bottom of the list that appears and click on Recalculate Budgets. You'll see a preview of each newly created budget next to the previous budget amount. Click Save if you'd like to use the new budgets, or click Undo if you change your mind. Once you've set up your budgets, you can view and edit them from the main budget screen, where each budget is represented by a colorful bubble. Each budget is also available in a list view. By default, you'll see bubble budgets. Now, the benefit of bubble budgets is that they allow you to see both the health and impact of your categories very quickly. The larger the bubble, the more your income it takes up. For both views, the color of each budget indicates whether you're on track, nearing your budget limit, or over limit. Green means you're on track and below 80% of your budgeted amount. Yellow means you're nearing your budget limit and have spent between 80 to 100% of your budget. And red means you need to slow down, you are over budget. To view details and transactions for a particular budget, click on your desired budget to bring up the budget details window. Click on Transactions to bring up a list of transactions in that category for the current month. You can also view your budgets in a list view. The list view allows you to quickly navigate between budgets and sub-budgets to help you get a clear idea of where your money is going. Now, the list view may appear in several places. You might find it on the right side next to the bubble budgets, you might find it below the bubble budgets, or it might even be hidden below the bubble budgets. If the list view is hidden, a list view button will appear on the bottom right. To bring up a hidden list view, click on the list view icon on the bottom right. The list of budgets will rise up and the list icon will turn into an X. Select the X to hide the list. The main budget categories are listed on the left of the list area. A colorful ring around the budget icon indicates how close you are to exceeding your budget. You'll also see the number of sub-budgets available in each category. The budget allocation and the amount spent so far this month are listed on the right. To view details, transactions, and sub-budgets for a category in List View, click on the main budget category. If you're looking for a sub-budget, click your desired sub-budget on the Details window. You can change budget amounts, create new budgets, create sub-budgets within the main budget, create custom sub-budgets, and delete budgets. To change a budget's amount, click on your desired budget or sub-budget, whether represented as a bubble or on the list, and select Edit Budget. Enter your desired budgeted amount. You'll see your available funds above the budget amount. Click Save or Cancel if you change your mind. To create a sub-budget, click Add a new sub-budget. Select your desired sub-budget from the list that appears. The sub-budget will automatically be given an amount based on your past spending. Alternatively, you may create a custom sub-budget by clicking Add a subcategory, entering a new name for the sub-budget, and selecting Add. To delete a budget, click on the budget to open the Details window. Click Edit Budget, click Delete, and delete again to confirm. You can also view and edit your projected income within budgets. The projected income helps you make budget decisions that fit within your income. Projected income is calculated based on your past transaction history. Your projected income appears when the budget list appears. To edit the projected income, click the pencil icon below the green projected income and enter a new amount. A monthly budget can be a powerful way to monitor your spending and keep it within healthy limits. You already know it's important to budget, so why not automate it?